Yeah, in this video we are going to see how to get an input in assembly. For getting an input in assembly, we are getting a character by character, ASCII character by character, not the decimal values. We are getting ASCII character by character. You will understand when we do it. So dot model small size and dot stack 100h dot data, and gonna use a message defined by enter a value and dollar sign to finish reading the register. And yeah, we need a variable to get the input, right? Defined by question mark it for define the variable num is as a null, and dot call. And without getting the question mark we can put it as 0. So I'm used to get the uh, use it at question mark, so I use it. And now move accumulator data, our data to accumulator data, and move that to data segment register from the accumulator. Now we're gonna print the message dx comma offset message, not 0, it's O, offset message move. Now print age comma 09h in 21h. Now we are going to get the input move ah comma 01h int 21h. And no, we have to save what we are getting, right? So number comma a in here 01h is defined to get the input, and use that getting the input to accumulate high register, that value to then we save it to our variable using accumulator log. And we have to print it, right? For printing we have to go to the next slide, for because it will uh, clear output, it will show a clear output. So dl comma 10 move h comma 02h in 21h. Now we're gonna print it, so dl comma 02h in 21h. But sorry, here not 2h, it's ah comma 02h, and we have to our variable move variable value to the dl register. Now num value to dl register, then we are printing it using this part, and we have to end our code, right? So move accumulator 4z00h int 21h and ending. Now let's see. So compiling tsm ytest1 dot file asm, no errors. So we have to then link it, t-link file name ytest dot obj objective file, and now we are gonna write execute it. Test one. So let's see, enter value, I'm gonna 5, printing 5. So if we enter character like s, printing s, because it's getting the input as characters. Okay, if you're getting an input as capital A, let's say capital D, printing D, like that, easy, right? So if you want to get multiple inputs, you have to define multiple variables and multiple inputs. So let's say I'm gonna use num2 defined by question mark. And to get the multiple variable, copy, and here num2 here. So then we have to print that number, right? So copy. No, I'm gonna like this, copy, and this part is for you to get the next line and print our second number. So let's see. No errors. Then linking objective file. Then running the code. Enter value 4 like that. Easy, right? So I hope you understand. If you have any questions, give me a comment down here. So thank you. We'll see you in next video.